In my hands Honor 10Y with a broken display. I will show you how to change the display model on it. Oh, sorry, of course. Hello to everyone and let's start. The phone is disassembled from the back cover, which is glued. For peeling off, we heat it. I'll do it on separator with a temperature of 90 degrees, but you can warm it up with a hair dryer. After warming up, take isopropyl alcohol and pour it along the edge for easier peeling. Then cling to the suction cup. Pull back and insert the open card into the slot that appears. Then pour alcohol on the card and in this way go around the circle. The alcohol softens the glue and lid easily peels off. Don't rush to pull, there stays a fingerprint in the lid. Therefore there will be a cable at the bottom. Carefully open it, put it on and disconnect the cable. Then unscrew the screw from the motherboard cover. There are many of them here. Pay attention, here we got a smaller screw. Be careful, remember where you unscrew them from. But if you don't remember, look here. There were 3 small screws and they stood here. Then just remove up the cover. Disconnect the cable of a fingerprint so that it doesn't interfere. Disconnect the battery and display cables. And first of all, before further disassembly, recommend you check the new display model. Connect and check it. As you can see, it works perfectly, without any complaints. Remove and disassemble it further. To remove the old display, you need to get it to its cable. For this you have to remove the battery. Disconnecting the flex cable from the bottom board and bend it back. Then everything is simple. Peel off the tank 1, then 2, and then just take it and pull it up for 3. That's how easily peel off the battery. And then peel off the tape under it to get to the cable. It's not necessary to remove it completely. You will need it during assembly. After that, put the phone back on separator to warm up. After a while the phone warmed up, and insert it any of the place. And easily remove the display. Remove it to the side and immediately start installing a new one. But before that, don't forget to clean the mic. As you can see, there is always dirt and dust inside. Gently brush the speaker, as well as the mesh itself. After cleaning, put the mesh back immediately, so that later don't forget it accidentally. Then clean the body from old glue and dirt and degrease it. Before installing a new display, make sure that all protective films are on the new model. If not, rearrange from the old one. Everything should be isolated. Apply black glue T7000 to the body. Take the display, pass the cable through the hole and center it on the upper frame. After that, carefully press along all the edges and fasten for half an hour with pins. In the meantime the phone dries up, I tell you about the Letyshops cashback service. By the way, I buy all my spare parts online, and not only spare parts, and I return a lot of money with Letyshops cashback service. The service receives reward for the purchase in more than 2000 stores and shares them with you. This is the cashback. To do this, make a purchase as usual and get a part of the money back. And not to forget about cashback, install the extension in our browser. And when you go to the stores, it will remind you to activate cashback. Also, the extension shows you to monitor price and find the best deals. And naturally, our saved money you can transfer to a bank card or put on your mobile phone balance. Don't lose your money vainly. Sign up at Letyshop.com, following the link under the video and get a premium account as a gift. Link in the description. After half an hour, the glue sets little. It can be collected back. Connect the display cable, glue it, turn back the adhesive tape of the battery, glue the battery and glue the tabs back. Connect the cables of the bottom board, battery and fingerprint. Install the motherboard cover and tighten it with a couple of screws. Immediately degrease all the edges of the case where the back cover is glued. And I didn't touch the surface on the lid and won't do it. The double-sided tape was not removed, so that it didn't fall below when installed back. So connect the cable on the lid, close the connector and glue it back with tape. After that, turn on the phone and check everything again, before gluing. Everything works fine. Tighten the remaining screws back and apply glue B7000 to the case. Close the lid and press on all the edges. Let's glue another bonus from Chinese. This is a protective glass. Then check again after closing and press with pins. Leave to dry for 24 hours, until completely drying. Well, that's all. The repair of Honor 10i is over. Did the video help or just you like it? Put like. And also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.